Alright guys, how are we doing? We're over the KW, got Kev here again. We're going to be working on our deadlifts and building up to the clean this week. But first things first, we have a rematch of that handstand challenge, so I'm not having that loss last week. Absolutely not having that, I'm not happy with that whatsoever.
Practicing.
A little bit, yeah, of course. It's part of a diving.
I've been practicing as well.
I've heard you've been doing
Can I
nothing
still
but
move a little
handstands.
bit?
Yeah, you can still move, yeah, I'll give you that this week. Okay, same rules apply, he can still move, I'm going to have to stay still, but this week it's going to be a different result.
Not even up to full stretch yet.
Yeah, buddy! No! No! Yeah, buddy! He wins again! Show the taps! Yeah, buddy! Yeah! 2-0!
Oh man!
I'm so bad at what I do.
Well, stability, control and athleticism, I'll give you 100%. Yeah. Kev was walking around all over the place.
Versus Olympic diver.
Banana back, legs weren't together.
If we go quality, I definitely win.
Yeah. Diving's about being judged in info.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait for the
It
next
depends
video.
how we go. If we go quality, then that's my win.
In diving you get a grade for athletic appearance, don't you?
Why am I so bad at what I
Look at
do?
that, I'm beautiful.